Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and choosing the right unit so measurements stay reliable. Open the app, tap the plus new plan icon, and name the project. Next, set scale and unit preferences, feet or meters, and enable grid and snap so walls align cleanly. Once done, add a quick reference wall. Draw one straight line, lock its length, and use it as the baseline. This helps keep subsequent measurements consistent and reduces rework later. With a baseline in place, choose the wall tool and draw wall segments by tapping, dragging, and releasing. Short taps make precise corners, longer drags add extended runs. Make fine adjustments by entering exact lengths or dragging end handles. The app snaps to grid, but allows decimal values like 0. 5 for fine-tuning. When you close a loop, the software auto-detects a room area and displays its square footage. So continue and now furnish the plan. Open the symbol library and drag doors, windows, and furniture into place, making sure swing and clearances show correctly. Once complete, choose Export options, PDF for printing or DXF for CAD, and pick a scale. Confirm labels and dimensions before saving. If items misalign, toggle grid or snap, reset the reference anchor, or redraw the offending wall. These quick fixes restore alignment without rebuilding the entire plan and keep your timeline on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.